So you start the power supply.
Yeah.
It takes some time.
Okay. How do I know when it's ready?
Wait. So it will light up. So here it should say 16,
okay.
and the one here should be 0 for now.
Okay.
And it's connected with these cables.
Yeah.
Like we say, if something on fire, just pull this too. And then this thing is connected to this charger.
Yeah.
So here is, I don't know if this can see better.
Okay. LiPo charge.
So in this charger, you need to change the configuration. So by holding it once, you're choosing the gray controller. By holding longer, you're choosing different thing. So this is the lithium one. So you use this one, but you don't use charge. You use the next one. So you click this. You use balance. So lithium balance, and it should say 6A and 22.2 volt and 6 cells. And now you plug these two back in. Can you hold it like this? Thank you. Never unplug this two.
Never unplug these two?
No, I made the accident with this. It was kind of bad. So that's the dangerous one. You short circuit it when the red and black touch each other, and it makes spark from this battery.
Even if it's not connected.
So you see, those ones are really safe. They are separated by like a fixed thing, so they would never touch each other. But when you put this two banana cable out, when you put it somewhere, the gravity touches them, then it makes spark.
Okay.
So when you ever connecting, you only need to connect this.
Okay.
So you always have to connect in this control panel thing. So it will be short. You can pull closer. You go into this hole. You always have to have this
first.
And doesn't have to be first, but you have to reverse polarity. I think it's complaining I went wrong. It should be here. Yeah, okay, it should be like this. You see this two.
Okay.
So if you make any errors, they tell you you're doing something wrong. So don't worry. So you plug it in, and then you plug this two. Okay, now this is plugged in. I can take over. So if you come to my side, you need to read this. So right now it says again balance. You can, when you start it, you can choose. So there will be charge, there's balance, there's fast charge, there's storage, and there's discharge. You don't need any of the other one. You just need the balance. Balance is the best one for charging this. So you choose balance. You hold down and so it's doing a battery check. So the battery is good, the cells are good. Then then it asks you to confirm. Then you click once. So now you see this is charging. So here this is lithium 6 cell, and the current right now is 3.4, and at the moment the voltage inside here is 23. When it is full, it will say 25.2, but right now it's not full, so it's charging. And the BAL means it's balanced, and here's the time, how long it's been charging, and here's how much been charged. When it's full, it will make the noise sound you just heard, and instead of say balance here, it will say end. Once that happens, you click here to stop once. Just click once and you stop, and then you can unplug it by here and remove this one. And to check how good other cells is, you click this little arrow. You see, and now this is telling you how much is charged in every single cells. And as long as the value are quite close to each other, that means it's doing the right job. If one of the values is higher than another, then you need to stop charging, and you tell us. Yeah, so now it's good. So we just let it charge.